And are you thinking about going into production, or is it just at the moment a series of one-offs?
Well, I'll do like the Mark II. I've got the molds for this, like I say, so I could produce some. The Mark II, I've not, like I say, I'm altering the Mark I kit to fit it, so I could always take the molds off that after, depending how it looks. Because it is slightly different, yeah. Quite a bit different.
And have you got kit prices in mind? If people,
well, they'd be talking 3,000 for most. Yeah, around that ballpark.
What's involved in fitting your body kit? If you start off with an untouched Mark I, what exactly do you have to take off to put on?
All the bolt-off panels, the wings, bonnet, boot, just all that, and then everything should, not precise, but should drop on, if you see what I mean. It should drop on, and then you just tinker before you stick it.
So it's glued rather than bolted on?
Yeah, sticker flex.
So it's more solid in a way?
Yeah, they are. All matte glass. Put a matting down and drop the door on. Fix it in position and let the glass hold it, fiberglass. Where you're moulding in, place